Guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. What do we got going on? Oh, we got Daniel just standing around doing nothing. Getting ready to take lunch. The lunch. And we got Shay over there building bar stools. And I want to show you guys some progress on this Tiki bar. We're actually heading out next week to do the install. So we're just about done. It's been raining for 2 days and all of a sudden the sun just came out. Because we got a lot of stuff to build outside for this Tiki bar. But can't do it when it's raining. It actually must have just stopped because the sun just came out. It's been raining for 2 days. So maybe we'll get some stuff done this afternoon. But what do you guys think of this bar so far? We got a couple coats of clear on the top. And I got to put the rope on. Unfortunately, yesterday my back went out. I can barely stand up right now. But there's always time to make a video. So, love to hear your guys' opinions on this bar. This is a monster. It's a big bar, but love to hear what you guys have to say. And if you like my content, please like, follow, and share. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out.